So, see people hanging off like the river there, the Seine River. This is obviously people waving and saying hi, and they're just chilling on the river right there, hanging off, chilling. Isn't that crazy? It's sort of cool though. Just look at them, like right there. You see that? They're just hanging off. There's a river open. Somebody's head. They're just sitting, chilling, and we're going to another bridge again. People waving, and this little cutie right there. He's waving. He's our mini tour guide.
Hi, Bruno. That's a courthouse.
That's the courthouse? Oh, yeah. Or is it a correctional something? Is it the prison?
It would be a courthouse. That's
That's so funny.
Devenu sur la gauche la cathédrale Notre-Dame.
I remember we drove here. I think I remember that thing.
Right? Notre-Dame Cathedral.
On the left. Alright, we're getting to Notre-Dame.
La cathédrale de Notre-Dame.
You gonna get it? Notre-Dame Cathedral. It's coming up right now. The one that burnt. And they're rebuilding. Cool. That's it right there. There goes my nose.
that one. Coming us.
Yeah, this one. I think this one. Yeah.
We just missed it because we're going under a bridge.
Bridge it is. Are we going to the bridge? It echoes, everybody. Ah! There's the cathedral. You can see it. Cool.